una
over and over
y
and
otra
over
vez, otra vez,
and over again,
otra vez de nuevo.
repeatedly.
Repetidamente.
For you to blame it on someone else is disingenuous and not true. This case is 550 days old,
50 días de edad.
and you've taken off on me
Se ha
4
sido
different times.
Mr. Escobar Tobar missed court again for the fourth time. This case is 550 days old, a year and a half, and he's failed to show up 4 different times. Over and over and over and over again, the judge said. 4 times. Judge David Fleischer was extremely upset. He told the court he has to hold Mr. Escobar Tobar accountable, because letting him go and reinstating his bond would just be enabling him.
Hi, Luis.
Señor Tobar, pase por favor. Buenos días, señoras, señoritas. ¿Están casadas, señoras? Acérquese aquí, por favor.
Deputy, can you stay with
Sí,
me, please?
hermano. Solo mire.
I am extremely upset with you,
Estoy
Mr. Escobar Tobar.
Tobar.
You have taken off on me over,
Una
over, and over,
y
and
otra
over,
vez, otra vez,
and over
otra
again,
vez de nuevo.
repeatedly.
Repetidamente.
For you to blame it on someone else is disingenuous and not true. This case is 550 days old,
50 días de edad.
and you've taken off on me
Se ha
4
sido
different times.
They've been working on a mitigation packet for this case for nearly a year. This isn't new. This isn't a misunderstanding. This is a pattern. Mr. Escobar Tobar posted bond last night, got out, and then didn't show up for court the next day. A woman named Steph was in court advocating for him. She argued that he truly didn't know about yesterday's court date. She said as soon as he found out, he called immediately. He wasn't trying to run, he just didn't know. The judge appreciated her tenacity and professionalism, but he wasn't buying it. He said Mr. Escobar Tobar tried to blame poor communication with a prior attorney from 2 years or a year and a half ago. The judge called it disingenuous and not true. This wasn't about miscommunication. This was about repeated failure to comply with court orders 4 times in 550 days.
Have we reinstated the bond?
No. There's a bond set, I believe,
Hay una
Judge,
fianza fijada, yo creo, señoría.
$10,000 and $3. The previous
$10,003.
bond was
Fianza
$1,001,
fue 1,001.
which we're asking,
Lo cual
which he
estamos
posted
pidiendo
last
I
week.
absolutely appreciate your tenacity. I absolutely love you, but I have to hold him accountable. I can't let him go, and I know that you're signing on now for the first time. This is not my first rodeo with him.
Okay.
It's been over and over, and it would be me enabling him, telling him it's okay to do what he's doing
Lo que está haciendo.
by letting him go and reinstating his bond. It's 4 different times.
Diferentes veces.
You
Usted
will now go to jail
irá a una cárcel
because of the repeated
a las repetidas.
failure to comply with bond conditions. Do you think this is a joke? No,
Algo, una broma.
we hold people accountable. And when you repeatedly fail to show up to court,
Vayan a comparecer a tribunales.
there are consequences. And you will now see that.
Ahora
It goes with you.
The judge told Mr. Escobar Tobar that when you repeatedly fail to show up to court, there are consequences, and he's about to see what those consequences are. He's going to jail right now. But the judge did offer something. The bond was originally $10,000 at 3%. The judge said he could set it much higher, but he was being somewhat lenient. He offered a $50,000 bond at 3%. He also mentioned he could do $10,000 at 4% or $50,000 at 4% if they preferred, but the bond was going up either way.
Judge,
Tell me.
señoría,
would you allow him to post the bond and do a walkthrough if I get a bondsman here?
I've
They're
said-
on the way.
Well,
They're
okay,
on
I'm
the-
not letting him do a walkthrough. No, because it's the
just-
same thing. It's letting him go.
I understand, Judge, but he really truly did not know about yesterday's court date. He immediately called me as soon as he found out.
Steph, I appreciate it. But you got to understand, I have to hold him accountable. I mean, if you want, I'll give you a bond reduction, but no, it's now time to pay the piper.
Would you reduce it to what it was previously to 1,001? It was originally 100.
No, what I'll do is I'll do 5,003. Okay, because it's now 10,003. It should be 10,004 actually, but I'll do 5,004 if you want. Okay, all right.
You would
Goes with you.
absolutely not. I mean,
It's
he
4
truly
times. It's
did-
550 days.
even
old.
if I get the bail bonds to come and say
Yes.
he truly did not get the date.
I understand. No, sorry, Steph.
Okay. I'll go and talk to him.
All right, so
And I'll get a recent date on it.
So here's the thing. He's going to auto-populate tomorrow. So we're going to end up seeing him here tomorrow. So you're welcome to Zoom on tomorrow. You're probably going to end up posting bond now. So probably be out within the next, 4 or 5 hours. So, but I can't just let him go over and over and it's 500.
I understand, Judge. I don't know what happened before. He was telling me he didn't have a very good communication with the prior attorney 2 years ago or a year and a half ago. I don't know.
It's utter horse, you know what? Because we have literally reset him over and over, been working on a mitigation packet for nearly a year. So the thing is that, and I know that you're just now coming on to it, but we have quite a bit of history with him. It's over and over. We let him go over and over. And at some point I got to say what, so. All right.
Talk to him, Judge.
Thanks.
Thank you.
The judge made it clear. This isn't about punishment for the sake of punishment. This is about accountability. 550 days. 4 missed court dates. A mitigation packet they've been working on for almost a year. At some point, the excuses run out. At some point, there have to be consequences. Mr. Escobar Tobar posted bond last night and missed court this morning. Now he's posting a bond 5 times higher just to get back out. And if he misses court again, the judge made it pretty clear what's going to happen. The patience is gone. The leniency is running out. Show up or stay locked up. Those are the options now.